Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, we will work with the object display in the 3D window. If you remember, in the previous lectures, I had shown you what is viewport shading. It is a sub-mode. In viewport shading, the object will be shown in the mode in which it is viewed in the 3D window. Like, you can even work with the rendered image for editing the object. This is how the final image would look like, and even you can work with this in editing. But what happens is that rendering consumes a lot of memory, and that is why we avoid working with the rendered image. And rendering is always preferred as the last step of any animation. So always see to that you avoid rendering while editing. Now let us get back to solid mode, and I hope you remember what are these wireframe, texture and material modes. You see, the object which is shown to us is not that smooth. Let us have a look at its rendered image. Our final output would look like this. It is not smooth. But if you want to make it smooth, how to make it smooth? Let us get back to solid mode. Go to tools. There in shading, you will find smooth and flat buttons. Just click on smooth and the object becomes smooth. Now let us have a look at its rendered image. Cool, isn't it? Now get back to solid mode. And if you want to get back the same object again, then clicking on flat will reverse it. This is how you can alter the shading of the object.